this is very nice. I'm gonna vlog this.
Hey!
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. I am Ed King Necker Bikubalan and I am here climbing this mountain. So you can see my surroundings. I am now climbing this mountain. Going on, I am now hiking.
What?
So, going on, I am almost at the top of this mountain and wow! Is that a monkey climbing on that tree? Sorry guys, I need to shoot that monkey climbing on the tree. So, since this is very far, I need to walk very slowly in order for me to get near to that monkey. Wow, did you see that guys? That monkey is eating something. Oh, is he looking at me? Oh my god! Wow! Oh, he's going down guys. He's going down. And he's running away. Oh, I need to chase the monkey. I need to chase him. Puta! Oh, kita ka ng upat kabukong diha. Tong-tong. Sunod na ko nagkaigo. Upat na kabuk. Patawa, upat. Upat na kabuk. Ang ibo na, patawa. Patawa, hurot ka agas ng upat. Patawa to.
Upat isumpulan tao.
Patugal, upat to, upat.
Usa na mangguna.
Ikaw ko na be, kaigo ba ka?
Nadugay na naman ko kinayot aning pusila. Butan na lang mga mata.
Solye.
Wa pa'y nakaigo na ko.
Sige, ayaw diyo, solye na.
Inani na naka mo aksyon. Pananglitag na kontra ito. Yan ni ara. Oh, di ba di maigo?
Ang sige maigo. Ang tawa na yung komisyon. Dili na na. Ang kita na yung bukton. Kita na yung bukton.
Hey!
Ulo makita. Di na inanahon. Inaniyo na kami na. Hudia. Isti ka. Kita ka na yung kontra ito. Imo aksyon. Inana ka.
Hey!
Inana. Huya! Inana. Nato! Parang di ka maigo. Kasabot ka. Butol kay ka. Ang natala.
Asiyop na kitong imo. Paligid-ligid dira. Anak. Ligid. Dali ka maigo ana.
Sak. Ito lagi tawa itulo ni mo. Inatuto pa rin di ka maigo.
Sayop na yun. Ligid-ligid mo dira. Sayop kayo to.
Sakto to.
Sayop.
Uy! Unggoy, upat kawak! Gadungan mong sulti!
Naku na tawo ito.
Pumunta na pila kawak! Pumunta na! Upat lagi! Upat! Upat!
Gago.
Upat lagi! Upat! Where's the monkey? Over there! A human? Is that a monkey talking to the human? Well, I'm gonna film this.
Matay. Usa ka libat? Upat imo iya usa?
Upat! Upat! Upat!
Hanay upat?
Upat! Isa! Dua! Ulo! Upat ka mong tawa!
Matay lipat niya kung kaistorya.
Buta ka rin ka! Buta! Buta!
Lipat ka.
Buta!
Sa katamo! Ba't ito mo?
Hey!
Guys, I am not your enemy. I am unarmed. I don't have guns. I am just here to take a picture of the monkey.
Sa! Unsay may yun? Pati kuno tagnawa! Unsay bangkil nga wala na ko'y tanga!
Whoa, guys, you are wrong. I am not here just to kill you. I am here just to take a picture of that monkey because that monkey is talking to you. There is no other monkey that is talking to humans.
Usa! Kino no? Ano akong kauban ng mga kanding? Imay no? Unsay mo man na wish ka kubat mo kabukdi mo kung man ako! Ali!
I am not here to kill you. See, I don't have guns.
Di bang ingon? Unsay babulgam? Nakagdala kag babulgam?
Wait. I have a cell phone. I am using this cell phone in taking a picture of that monkey. So when I take a picture of you,
Bay! Kinot! Pati!
oh guys, don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's just a flash, not a gun. Here, look at this.
Uwat ko ako na huwag iyo! Uwat tod! Ay, libat mo ka! Kaklaro anang usa, duha ra! Uwat ko ako! Uwat! Duha ka lagi na! Uwat!
Okay, here. I have another gadget. Whoa, guys, chill. Wow, don't be scared. Here. This is a radio.
Hey!
Ako ni, Lawson!
What?
Kulod!
Hey,
Kuti mo pala!
the radio.
Kuti mo pala!